La la la.
We met in like Australia, I guess, Melbourne. Yeah, 2017 end, and then 2018 beginning, I think we started dating.
We've known each other since 2018. We met through mutual friends, and we have stayed in a relationship since that long. Majority of it was long distance.
Guy was the same, guy didn't talk much, didn't express much, so she helped me change a lot, forced me to change a lot. But yeah, I feel like that's why we made it.
ख्वाहिशों का शामियाना ख्वाबों के जहां मेरे से निकला सा मैं तो खामोश लहरों पे बहती हूँ वो कश्ती जो ढूंढे है धुन मेरी जैसे बारिश की बूंदों में चलती मैं हवा हूँ जो बूंदों से पूछे कि है कहाँ वो जहाजो हर जुबान में हो नाम मेरे हर जुबान में नाम मेरे
I don't know, it hasn't officially hit me yet that I am getting married. This entire time I'm it feels like I'm planning for someone else. All the clothes and everything is for someone else's wedding. And it hasn't truly hit me yet. And I'm just waiting for the moment, I'm bracing myself.
हाथी वालो मर के सरियो बालम करी आविसी रे
He is extremely loving. He's very like shy about it. The way he displays his love is completely different. A very fun guy, like, or anything, but he is so completely like open in his heart. We can look at the busted hashtag.
तो बोलो हैशटैग तो सही कर टीवी टेढ़ा एसबी
TV टेढ़ा है, SB क्या कहते हैं, S कौन सा टेढ़ा है?
और मना भी किया था हैशटैग नहीं करना या आई थिंक जस्ट वेरी ओपन विद ईच अदर and very just fun with each other. I think we get each other, most people won't get her or get me privately, or maybe us as a couple as well, but like we understand each other.
Like we're really happy for you as well as Ashi कि finally you got married. अभी भी digest कर रहा हूँ मैं because हम साथ बड़े हुए हैं, so like when a person तुम्हारे साथ था उसकी शादी होती है, like it's a big deal even for us. तो वो है, so I wish you all the very best for your future and may God bless you and you have lots of happiness and fun.
और थोड़ी हमारी फट भी रही है क्योंकि अब मेरे को पता तेरे बाद हमारे माँ बाप हमें बोलने वाले हैं
लाइन पे लगे हुए
आगे लाइन पे लगे हुए हैं, अब हमारी बारी है. तूने हमारी लंका लगानी चालू कर दी है, तूने आज खाता खोल दिया.
Let's go for it. Good. Please join us. आइए. All of you, please join us. सारे के सारे. Right हाथ ऊपर. And now. हमारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार. हमारी एंट्री यार दिल में बजी घंटी यार. And now with Tanish. राइट हाथ ऊपर, सबका राइट हाथ ऊपर, सर के पीछे. लेट्स डू द डैंड्रफ स्टेप और लेफ्ट हाथ. एवरीबॉडी नाउ लेट्स डू दिस. यहाँ पर ओए हाय. And now
जाननी कूटेंगे
उस्मान को लूटेंगे.
So all you have to say is
पंजाबी आगे ओए.
Let's go for it. Hey. Chak de. Oh, bale. All the hands up in the air. Everybody. Hey. Yeah, buddy.
के रंग देख लो, बिना डोर तो उड़ती पतंग देख लो। कुड़िया कुड़िया
ओ पापा जी,
छुरिया कुड़िया कुड़िया दिखिया छुरिया कुड़िया जामन हथना आमन ओ तेना पूंडिया ते मारे होए रंग देख लो। बल्ले बल्ले जे सोनिया दे रंग देख लो, बिना डोर तो उड़ती पतंग देख लो।
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Seca, todo el mundo en patilla en la discoteca. Beba y agua para la seca.
Quick, faster. Look at the bottle. Everybody go. And now, let's go. Bottoms up. Look at him. Look at him. थोड़ा बचा है, पी लो, थोड़ा बचा है. And the winner.
Any other guy that made you say goodbye must have been a fool, but darling, I was made for you. There's not much that I know, been searching high and low. One thing that is true, darling, I was made for you. Oh, I was made for you.
तनिष एक बहुत ही कॉन्फिडेंट बॉय है जो आराम से कभी भी कहीं भी किसी भी सिचुएशन को आसानी से हैंडल कर लेता है. उसको कभी भी कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं आती है कि उसको कभी किसी के आगे आप लाओ तो वो कुछ ना बोल पाए. तो ये उसके बारे में खासियत है कि वो कभी हर सिचुएशन को इजीली हैंडल कर लेता है.
We are very excited, to be honest. Very excited. Because she is the eldest one in our family, the first girl child. So we all are very, very excited.
Mixed feelings actually. I'm really happy because I really love Tanishji. He's the best guy that Ashi could get.
ये हमारे घर में हमारी बेटी आ रही है और अच्छा है.
दोनों हमेशा खुश रहें, साथ रहें और पूरे घर को एक साथ लेकर चलें.
She's so bubbly, she's so friendly, and she's really, really good at like maintaining relationships for a really long time, like no matter what happens, like the distance, time not spent talking. She's like so good at like really prioritizing and like valuing friendships, and I think that's my favorite thing about her.
This motherly-ish vibe where she's like, she's always taking care, like everywhere we go, like I know like if Ashley's around, like I know it's okay, like if anything were to happen to me, I know she'd have my back like in a snap. Like I know if I needed her for anything, she's always there for me.
Into the sky, above it all. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now. Experience the feeling.
Everybody now. Louder. Give it to me. One more time. You're doing it well. Let's do it again.
Yo, if you guys are ready to party, make some noise! I don't want to see this dance floor empty though. I need to see everybody on the dance floor right now. Let's go! Rip it up, come on! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Whoa. Put your hands up, let's do this! Hi, third party! वो साडी जान कट जावे हाय तड़ पावे साडी जान कट जावे तेरा लाल घाघरा हाय तड़ पावे साडी जान कट जावे तेरा लाल घाघरा रातां दी नींद उड़ावे बिल्लो नी तेरा Put your hands up, hands up, hands up! बिल्लो नी तेरा लाल घाघरा बिल्लो नी तेरा लाल घाघरा बिल्लो नी तेरा लाल घाघरा 1, 2, 3, 4 Let's go! Put your hands up! Let's do it! Let's go! वो तेरा घाघरा घाघरा तेरा घाघरा वो तेरा घाघरा Yo, make some noise!
Shorty too sexy about it. She know that she got it. She know that I want it. She bad. Poppin' that thing 'cause she got it. She push up and drop it. She turn every man to a fan. She got that. I give her that. Yeah, she got that. I give her that. I gave him the steps, I gave him the manual, gave him direction down to the angles. I know my crossover left him in shambles. I broke through, you broke your ankles.
Ashi, Didi, and Tanishji, take care of each other, take care of the family, take care of the future ones as well. Be sure to always look after each other and always have fun. Always be happy because that's the main thing. And always having fun is the most important thing. Always having a smile is the best thing.
We're lucky, you know. I feel like we have worked hard for this. We have been through a lot for this, and we, I think, are very lucky that, you know, वहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँच गए. I don't think 6 years ago you would have imagined. I didn't imagine that कि हम यहाँ होंगे with the families, with all this, इतना तामझाम. So yeah, it's very surprising to me. And I'm very glad and I'm very, you know, grateful for it as well.
हमरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे
सर्वधम्मा त्वमजासि जगदम्मा ॐ यतो यथा समीयसे ततो नो अभयं सर्वरूपजाभ्यो नमः श्रीमन्
तो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं, कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं कि हम तो आस पास सास में और रात साथ बात करे, क्यों ना रह लो ना, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा।
ओ काला शाकाला, ओ काला शाकाला, मेरा काला ए सरदार, गोरियां नू दफा करो, गोरियां नू दफा करो, मैं आप गले दी तार, काला शाकाला।
Today, he was actually really nice, and I was like, wow, okay. It was not expected.
So in culmination, he is a real person, guys.
Yeah, he's
not
a
an
real
imaginary
person.
friend.
He is a real person.
ਕਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਸਾਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਹਿਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੋਇਆ ਏ ਬੱਦਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਮਿਜ਼ਾਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਬਾਗ ਵਿੱਚ।
Ashi, you see, basically, if you see, it's kind of a blessing. So it's like Ashirwad, or you can say like blessings and all everything. So she was very cute child from her childhood only. So it's why that's what comes to our mind first, actually.
ऐसी बहुत अच्छी लगी, लड़की स्वीट है, बहुत अच्छी है, सब कुछ है, और अब घर पे आ रही है तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, हमारे परिवार के लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा।
हमारे घर में 2 लड़कों के बाद अब एक लड़की आ रही है और हम उसका खुले दिल से स्वागत करते हैं अपने घर में।
हम सफर दी तलाश सियों नु ढूंढा हर गली, जाने केड़े मोड़ ते तेरे तो जा मिली, छावा में तेरे बीते सारे जिंदड़ी, दीन है तू ही मेरा, तू ही बंदगी, जे तू मिले रब मिले।
It's amazing. Personally, for me, it's my first time in India, and my first wedding, so it's an honor to be here, and I'm very grateful to see my friends as well after so long.
Archie and Tanish, we love you.
Hollywood ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੁਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਬੇਵਾਨਾ ਭਾਲ ਦੇ ਫੇਵਾ ਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਕਹਿੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਖਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾਂ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾਂ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਟ ਕੱਟ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾਂ ਟਰੈਪ ਦੀ ਬੀਟਾਂ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਬਾਤੇ
जानिया बेदिल जानिया पिया तो से नैना लगे रे जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे
He's definitely gonna miss her like anything, because when she wakes up, she comes in the morning to our room and she knocks. When I open the door, she just pushes me aside and goes and hugs him. So this is his morning every day.
God bless them, both of them, and they do whatever they wanted and be very successful. That's it. And make both families proud.
Yeah.
That's it.
God bless both of them and just stay as they are. Don't change. They both are so much in love and they understand each other so well. Like, भगवान करे कभी मतलब नजर नहीं लगे इन लोगों को.
All the best and congratulations to them as well. And from our side also, we wish Ashi and Tanish ji best of luck and good luck in future as well. And keep smiling.
पहला वचन है, सबसे जो पहला वचन है, प्रथम जो हमारे कुल का धर्म है, क्योंकि अब तक आपके माता पिताओं का जो कुल का धर्म था वो आपका था। अब आपका विवाह संस्कार हो गया है, पति के कुल में आप जा रहे हो, तो अब पति के कुल का जो धर्म होगा वो आपको स्वीकार करना होगा। पहला वचन ये आपको स्वीकार है। दूसरा वचन ये कह रहे हैं, हमारा जो कुटुंब परिवार है सबको सुख देना होगा, सुख देना होगा, स्वीकार है ना। तीसरा वचन, आपको मीठे वचनों का प्रयोग करना होगा। अगर आपको गुस्सा आता है उस गुस्से को अपने मायके में ही छोड़ के आना, उस गुस्से को अपने मायके में ही छोड़ देना बेटा, और पति के घर में आकर के गुस्सा बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा। ये तीसरा वचन है, स्वीकार है आपको।
छह लाख
लो जूते दे दो।
वैसे भी नंबर क्या है?
इसके लिए हम कुछ नहीं करते, देखेंगे भी नहीं आपकी तरफ।
ये डॉलर है।
गांधी जी है भाई।
be happy, make each other happy, and like for Ashidi also, now my elder sister, our relationship wouldn't be like, you know, the stereotypical Bhabhi and Deva. It'll be like a younger brother and an elder sister, and just keep on cherishing it.
हथ फड़ तू सिखाया जिनू टुरना अंबरां च उड़दी फिरे किथे छड़ गया कर सुना करके वे आजा लाडो लभदी फिरे हथ फड़ तू सिखाया जिनू टुरना
Very difficult to express in words actually, because that's a dream of every parents. So yes, definitely we have imagined in our dreams and how visualize how she will look like, but really very difficult to express in words actually.
Waking up to your smile, all dazed and dreamy eyed, I fell in love all over again. Spotting birds and butterflies, losing all our sense of time. Every day was a memory we made. To be young and wild and having no cares, it's so different when love is in the air. I've been missing the moments we were there. Take me back in time.
For everybody who doesn't know me, my name is Sanjana. Ashi is one of my oldest friends. We have a running joke that my family can never see two things in my life. Number one is my diary, and number two is my chat logs with Ashi, because it's basically my diary, but then with funny commentary. She found the most perfect one for her. Exactly. Tanishq, you are amazing for Ashi. You make her happier than anyone I've ever seen do. You two are the dream couple. And also, on our first day here, I don't know how many of us saw this, but on the 20th, on the night when we were having the mehndi, when some of the friends were leaving, we saw a shooting star at night. My wish was that everyone here can find what you guys have. Thank you, guys. Now it's time for Kezia's speech.
Hello everyone, so I'm Tanishq Bhaiya's sister. To my dear Tanishq Bhaiya and Ashi Didi / Bhabhi, my heartiest congratulations to both of you. We have been preparing for this day since last 1 year and I can't believe it finally happened. Tanishq Bhaiya, my bestest Bhaiya, as I look at you today, I'm filled with so many emotions. I'm sure Joy and Ansh will agree with me on this, that Bhaiya has always been our guiding light, the one we could turn to when things got tough, whether it was advice for work or different kind of challenges or just being a patient listener. And now I'm so excited that you're becoming our sister, Ashi Didi. I still remember the first time I talked to you and met you, and my honest impression was, how did Bhaiya manage to get her? But honestly, seeing you both together, I can confidently say it's a Rab ne bana di jodi. The love and understanding you share is so beautiful, and if I can I can even have 10% of that in my life, I'll consider myself very lucky. That's it. Thank you so much.
Hi guys. Dear Ashi, as I watch you marry Tanishq today, my heart is filled with joy and just a hint of disbelief. Wasn't it just yesterday that I was teaching you how to ride a bike? And now, here you are, riding into a married life. I'll always be there cheering you and ready to share all the joy and chaos that comes with this new chapter. May your life together be filled with love, laughter, and just the right amount of chaos to keep things interesting. With all my love, both of you, Ashi and Tanishji. God bless you.
Hi everybody, it's Ashi. So one of our friends, Sahil, who couldn't be here with us today, he very nicely made us a video to congratulate us. So I guess we should listen to that. Please put your eyes on the stage.
Hello everyone, that was such a good introduction of me. My name is Sahil. I am Ashi and Tanishk's friend from university. We go way back, and really I am so happy to see Ashi, Tanishk. I will see you both in Melbourne very soon, okay? Drinks on me, food, anything on me, okay? Just come and I'll take you guys for dinner. Much love. Mwah.
I just wanted to thank everyone for coming here. You know, I'm so happy that, you know, all our friends, all our family, everyone was able to make it. And, you know, this would not have been so special without, you know, all of you. And I'm just very, you know, grateful, you know, for my family, for Ashi's family. You know, this would not have been possible, you know, without my mother, my father, Ashi's parents, of course. 6 years ago, 7 years ago, I think when we met, like, I would not have imagined, you know, us just standing here, you know. But I'm just very grateful and very lucky, and I hope everyone here has had a lot of fun. I hope everyone here has had a lot of drinks. I hope everyone here, you know, just enjoys and has a good time. And thank you so much for coming.
We are so incredibly grateful that everybody could make it. These 2 days would not have been as special without all of our loved ones here to support us and love on us and party with us. This has been an incredible experience, and I just want to thank everybody. Thank you so much for Tanish's family for opening your arms to me and just completely accepting me from the start. For my own family, thank you very much for these last few months of wedding planning when it has been extremely difficult. And the lifetime that happened way before that, the last 25 years. We've had our ups and downs, but we are here now. I'm no longer your problem. And finally, I want to thank Tanishk, my husband. He put in all of the work for the wedding planning, and he made this the best experience that anyone could have. This is truly a dream come true with the man of my dreams at the end of it. So thank you so much, everybody. Lots of love. Please have a lot of drinks, a lot of food, and let's get ready to party because everybody should be leaving here tomorrow just tired. Thank you.
Shit. Shake for a shake. I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this Assalamu alaikum. Peace to MONEY. I love my beaches. South beaches. Surfboard and high tide. I could just.
We were talking to the sunset, throwing dreams against the wall. I know none of them are stuck yet, but I bet it on you, honey. Oh, I would risk it all. These days, these nights are changing my heart, my mind. You set on you, I'm not afraid to say it, to say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I'll carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know
to your out-of-tune guitar. These days, these nights are changing my heart, my mind. Sit on you. I'm not afraid to say I do. Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that it's to go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time.
शादी हो गई है, सब हो गया है, अब इसका पता है प्रायोरिटी सेट हो चुकी है, वो है, वो अंडरस्टूड है, वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड एज फ्रेंड्स क्या भाई प्रायोरिटी सेट हो चुकी है, बट इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि भाई साल में एक बार मिल रहा है।
तू मेरी बात सुन, ठीक है, हम हर दूसरे दिन तेरे घर पे बैठे होते थे, ये नहीं है कि लाइक जो हस्बैंड ना हो तो तेरी प्रायोरिटी चेंज होगी, हमको नहीं भूलना भाई, हम तो अभी भी तेरे घर पड़े रहेंगे हर दूसरे दिन, हमको आने तेरी
तेरी छत होगी, वहाँ पे पूल खेला जाएगा, वहाँ पे दारू पी जाएगी, पोकर खेला जाएगा।
शराब दिया दो बोतलां इन्हां बोतलां तो सिप सिप पी वे शराब दिया दो बोतलां इन्हां बोतलां तो सिप सिप पी वे ओ चढ़दी जवानी मेरी अख मुंडिया चढ़दी जवानी मेरी अख मुंडिया ओ चढ़दी जवानी मेरी अख मुंडिया चढ़दी जवानी मेरी अख मुंडिया ओ अज पैणां प्यारिया दलीर मेरे नैने 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 शराब दिया दो बोतलां इन्हां बोतलां तो सिप सिप पी वे शराब दिया दो बोतलां इन्हां बोतलां तो सिप सिप पी वे I'm a fireball.
Now big bang boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice little shave. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way. I'm a fireball.